Two utterly brilliant sides, folks. I actually bought this because I thought it came with a picture cover. I've got the original. This is the reissue, folks, but I haven't got the picture cover still. So just unlook on my part, but this is what I got home too. Absolutely brilliant sides. I think it was initially covered up by Dave Thornley, wasn't it, as the Houston Outlaws? The brilliant Save the World. Flip side out I prefer as well. It's just an incredible record.
Save the world!